We've covered sound absorption and airborne sound transmission. Now let's look at impact sound transmission. Impact sound transmission loss is expressed in decibels of airborne sound. This decrease in sound energy is measured after the impact noise that's generated above transfers through the floor-ceiling assembly and is transmitted into the air below. Imagine someone hopping around upstairs over your head. That's impact sound transmission. It's rated using an impact insulation class number, or IIC. The standard for measurement is ASTM E492. The impact insulation class number, the IIC number, is a single number rating that estimates the impact sound insulation performance of floor-ceiling systems. The number is an estimate of how much the sound energy is reduced. The higher the number, the better the system. IIC ratings apply to lightweight concrete floating floors, which we'll cover in a minute, and to wood joist floor ceiling systems. Again, since wood joists are acoustically stiff, air sealing will help with sound control. The strong structural tie will transmit impact sound through the structure because the sound vibrations are physically entering the structure. So adding cavity insulation results in the improvement in IIC by 1 to 2 points. This is due to the strong structural tie between the finishing materials and the frame. There's a significant increase in acoustical performance by mounting drywall to resilient channel and adding sound-absorbing cavity insulation. Let's briefly look at some numbers. By now, you should be seeing a pattern. Floor 1, standard construction, IIC 28. Adding fiberglass helps. Floor 3, good, but floor 4 achieves an IIC rating of 46. However, floor 5 controls impact sound with the highest rating of IIC 49 by using standard construction, adding 6 1/4 inches of fiberglass, and a wire-suspended drywall ceiling. Now, lightweight concrete floating floors, like those found in commercial high-rise construction. Typically, concrete slabs are good at reducing airborne sound transmission, but they're poor at reducing impact sound transmission. So for a 4-inch homogeneous concrete slab, the STC is typically greater than 50, which is quite good at reducing airborne sound energy, but the impact insulation class value is less than 25. So to improve sound control, you can use resilient underlayments under floating floors to isolate the finished floor from the concrete slab. And/or you can use suspended finished ceilings to break the structural tie between the ceiling and the slab to improve the IIC. The use of both underlayments and suspended ceilings does the most to improve the IIC.